In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new contact in HubSpot CRM, making sure you have all the information you need to manage your contacts efficiently. Let's start by navigating to the HubSpot CRM dashboard. Once you're logged in, and on the home page, you'll see a variety of options that help you manage your CRM processes effectively. What we need to do first is access the contact management section. Begin by looking at the top of your interface for the contact sign. Clicking on this will bring up the main contacts page, your hub for managing all client and customer information. It's from this centralized spot that you'll be able to organize and create new contacts, ensuring everything is streamlined and easy to access. Next, you'll see an option labeled Import. Click on this to move further in the process. The import feature is perfect if you're planning to bring in contact data from another source, which can save you time and energy. After you click on Import, you'll see an option for Import Data, which you should select to proceed. As you continue, you'll also see the option labeled Start Import. Clicking on this is your gateway to beginning the actual data transfer. From here, you've got the choice to select the types of data you want to import. Since we're focusing solely on contacts in this tutorial, make sure to choose the contact icon and then hit Next. Following this, ensure you've correctly checked the box indicating what you want to import. Now it's time to select the file you want to upload. Click on Choose a File, browse your personal computer or cloud storage, and attach the document that contains your new contact information. Once the file is selected, focus your attention on the option that says Create New Contacts Only. By choosing this, HubSpot will solely create new entries without affecting existing data, preserving your current records while expanding your network. Finally, conclude the process by clicking Next. This prompts HubSpot to finalize the import and add those new entries into your CRM seamlessly. Depending on the size of your file, the import process could take a little while, but once it's done, your new contacts will be fully integrated and ready for you to engage with. And that's it. By following these steps carefully, you ensure that your contact list remains comprehensive and up to date, facilitating better customer engagement and more efficient communication strategies. Should you have any questions or require further customization, the HubSpot User Guide is a fantastic resource to explore additional functionalities. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your CRM experience.